How to create a playlist on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. In this tutorial video, I am going to show you how you can create a playlist on Spotify. To create a playlist on Spotify is an easy and simple process, so let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your Spotify application and tap on the Your Library option at the bottom right corner. Now press on the plus icon at the upper right corner. Name your playlist as you want and click on the create option. So there you have it, you have created a playlist, and in order to add songs to the playlist, click on the add to this playlist and search for the song you want and tap on the plus icon in order to add those songs to the playlist. So there you have it. This is how easily, in the simple and easy process, you can create a playlist on this Spotify. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.